Push. Big boy.
Hello.
There you go. Pull it all the way out. Bring this leg up. Ooh.
Something.
John, you're a powerlifter. When you originally came in, what was going on?
Issues with the middle of my back. Every once in a while, it would just seize up.
You felt like you're on the verge of injury. Sometimes you actually did get injured from that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
We took you through a corrective care plan. We did a bunch of stuff, decompression, laser, other therapies. We got you to a point now where you're coming once a month to do maintenance. Have you had any issues with that since?
I haven't had that issue since I've seen you.
Has this helped you avoid injury in your sport?
100%. That I can say without a doubt.